I'd like to introduce the very beautiful and stylish wooden cabinet. You can see clearly from the front side with fashionable design. And also, the top board is very firmly. We use the material is MDF. And also, you can take a closer to look at the Julia. We use the best qualified wooden material. And you can put this kind of wooden cabinet into the corners of your room. And also, actually, you can put this kind of cabinet into any rooms you want. And about this one, we especially designed 3 Julias, and we printed with different patterns. Actually, we can design by your pattern. As you know, our company has our own designer, so if you'd like to change the pattern or color, you can tell us, and then we will do the perfect products to you. So about this one, let's measure the size to you firstly. The top length is 26 centimeters and the width is also 26. So about the total height for this cabinet is 62.5 centimeters. About this one, a 40-feet container can be loaded 500 pieces. And also the MOQ is 300 pieces. If you like this sample, the charge is also free. And also, the sample ready date will be 10 days. Our production date is 60 days. So after reviewing about this kind of wooden cabinet, I'd like to introduce this one. Actually, the size and main frame is the same as the previous one. The difference is, you can see clearly, we keep the natural color. Yes, we use the tool to make the surface of the wood smoothly, so you don't worry it will be harm to your hands. And also the red circle, yes, it's very safe. You can also, about the function, you can also put some little things or accessories, jewelries into this kind of cabinet. All of this material is very environmentally. So after the brief introduction about our wooden material, storage, books and cabinet, my colleague Eric will show more pictures for you. Thank you.